Yeah, home insurance is already a problem. My insurance, homeowners insurance went up like 30% this year. It's a serious problem in Florida where people are moving out of the state just because of the tremendous increase in insurance rates. I met a couple of guys at an event a few months ago, and these are fairly well off people, and they're sitting there complaining about, I just had my insurance go up 70% in 1 year. And yet they were still denying that climate change had anything to do with it. Aren't you getting the message? The insurance industry wants to stay in business, and there's a reason that they're raising their rates.
Right. And do you think something like that could happen further up the coast, like in New England?
Yes, and especially near the coastline, you get a couple more Sandys over the next 20 years, and you're going to get big hikes in insurance. You may get companies that decide they don't want to serve right along the East Coast anymore. The East Coast, the sea level is rising faster than much of the rest of the world. And when you combine the sea level rise with the increased rainfall, the stronger storms, it's a it's not a good combination. And the insurance industry always has to stay ahead of it. If they're behind, they go bankrupt. So that's one of the first areas that is going to impact people and get them to realize, okay, yes, the climate is changing, and it's changing for the worse, and these storms are getting worse, and I am affected by it. Even though my house has never flooded, my roof has never been blown off, I am going to pay for that climate change.